Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a chain of Ballies like this. And this is the balloon twisting equivalent of a guitar player playing scales, because it really helps your fingers get strong and loose and trains your muscle memory. And this is essential. When you see guitar players and they're closing their eyes and they're playing and they know exactly where their fingers are going, that they've done the musical equivalent of making these Ballies. So this is foundational to all balloon twisting. So to make the Ballies, you inflate some air in here, and again, to tie the balloon, let some air out, make the neck nice and long, wrap it around 2 fingers, and then twist that, put that balloon through your 2 fingers, and it's tight. Okay, now when you're twisting balloons, there's just 3 rules. Always 3 rules. Whether you've been doing it for 3 minutes or 30 years, there's always 3 rules. Rule number 1, one hand is your holding hand, the other hand is your twisting hand. So you decide if you're right-handed, left-handed, what you're comfortable with. But what you don't want is both hands moving chaotically at the same time. So you hold it, and in my case, my left hand is the pinching hand and holding hand. So wherever I hold it and pinch it, that's where the twist is going to be. And then my right hand does all the work. So my left hand is firm and my right hand is twisting like that. And you want to twist it like 3 or 4 times. Okay? Now, rule number 2. If I twist it toward me, I always have to twist it toward me. You can twist it away from you if you want, if you're comfortable doing that, but you have to pick one, either toward you or away from you. Because if, for instance, I twist it toward me and then the next one I twist away from me, it's going to undo. So you have to pick one. I personally twist toward me. So there you go. Now watch this. If I have this and I let go of my left hand, the whole thing unravels. So that's rule number 3. You always have to hold on to the very first bubble. So in this case, I make 1 bubble, and then I take my left hand, and between my pinky and my ring finger, and I don't have a ring because I'm happily divorced, but if I put my balloon right there between my pinky and my non-ring finger, what that does is it allows my thumb and index finger to be free to pinch and twist again. So you see, I can pinch right there and then twist it toward myself. And I'm not letting go of the first one, but I'm at the same time not holding all the balloons. You see how I'm only holding with my pinky and my ring finger, and that allows me to continue pinching and twisting. Right? See how that is? And basically you want to get to the point where, you know, you're sitting at the bus station, you're sitting on the couch watching TV, and you can just get a balloon and just start making Ballies. Like, look, I'm going to close my eyes, okay? I'm going to close my eyes. And the goal is that I keep making the same size bubbles without even looking, because that's the magic of muscle memory. Now, if I were to let go of this, the whole thing will unravel, right? Because if you that was rule number 3. If you let go of the first one, the whole thing will unravel. So to make sure that this stays this way, you twist the first and last bubbles together, and it anchors it, and it stays this way. So this is making Ballies. This is just great practice. It's really important because you're going to be twisting a lot, and this is what's going to make your fingers fast, strong, and make this easy. And that's how you get to be, you know, fast and fun and impressive. So making Ballies and enjoy.